This is the instructional video for the Saliva ZRT hormone test kit. You will have gotten this test kit through AIW, either at our office or you've had it shipped to you. This test kit is prepaid through our office. These are all of the components of the test kit here laid out on our table. The first thing you're going to want to note is this requisition form. This is going to be completely filled out by you, the patient. Just go through step by step and give it all the information it requires. The test profile for what test we are doing will already be filled out for you. It's that hormone trio. These are the test kit testing instructions. For our menstruating women, we're going to want to collect this on days 19 through 21 of your cycle, ideally day 19. Day 1 is going to be the first day that your period starts. For our non-menstruating women, we're going to want your lowest level of hormones if you are on hormone replacement therapy. For your topical or suppository hormones, if you do those, for instance, Monday through Friday, we're going to start that collection on a Monday morning, and you're going to wait to do your hormones until you've finished with the test kit. If you're doing suppositories a couple days a week, just choose your longest period in between suppositories and do it that morning that you would normally do a suppository. That's going to be the day that you have your lowest level of hormones. If you're not sure what fits in for you, please reach out to our office and we'll give you an individualized day to do this test kit. If you are doing an oral progesterone, normally that is stopped 5 days a month, so please try to line that up as well to have that progesterone have its lowest levels in your body. So do that maybe the day that you would normally restart the progesterone before you do that progesterone. Some things to consider is to avoid any anti-aging or anti-wrinkle face creams 3 days before testing, as these can have undisclosed hormones in them. Also, try to refrain from having any biotin, B7 hair and nail formulas type supplements also 3 days before. Before collecting your sample, do not eat, drink, except a bit of water, or brush your teeth prior to that collection. For that hormone trio saliva test, we are only going to follow this top row here. You're going to take one large tube upon awakening and fill that halfway with saliva. This does not include any bubble or foamy saliva. It does have to be the thick liquid saliva. So if you need to tap the side of the tube to get that foam to come down, so you can see exactly how much you have, that's ideal. That one large tube is going to be this guy here, halfway full, and then please put your name, the date, and the time that you collected that on this test tube before you ship it off. The rest of these 3 you can actually just go ahead and discard. There are some different tests we can run with ZRT, but the trio saliva with the one large tube is the only one that we're going to order for you here at AIW. If you did make a mistake with your collection, please feel free to rinse out the tube with hot water, no soap. Shake out that water and let air dry, and then restart the test on another morning or when appropriate. Try not to ship this out on a Friday or later if there is inclement weather, meaning very hot or very cold weather. If you do have to wait to ship out your sample until you have some better weather, you can freeze that sample and it should be good to go. Like I said, everything you need is complete and with this test kit. So we've also got a prepaid label here. So you're going to submit the completed test with UPS and you can put that in this bag and affix your label to the bag before you give it to UPS. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to our office.